Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Mercedes-Benz. This two-door convertible has an 8-cylinder, 5.5-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Mercedes-Benz is a great value with less than 21,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include sunroof, automatic climate control, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, universal remote, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, Bluetooth, and power windows.